Want to see the gadgets everyone can't stop talking about? These crazy Amazon Home gadgets are trending for a reason. They make life easier, smarter, and way more fun. From clever tools to unique upgrades, they're must-haves for every home. All product links are in the description below. Relaxing just got a lot more adorable. This giant beanbag chair is covered in plush fabric that's soft and cozy, with high-resilience foam inside for lasting comfort. Designed like a cat, it has a high backrest, cute ears, and even a 78-inch tail that doubles as a detachable pillow. A non-slip bottom keeps it steady while you lounge, read, or play games. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or kids' spaces. It adds comfort and a playful touch anywhere. Back itches and dead skin don't stand a chance. This electric back scrubber makes reaching every spot easy, with a long handle and dual head design. Switch between gentle and power modes to match your skin's needs, while the soft bristles keep things comfortable. It's fully waterproof, so you can use it in the shower without worry. Plus, a blocking protection system keeps it safe if something gets stuck mid-scrub. Waffles just got a serious glow-up. This gadget doesn't make ordinary waffles, it creates waffle bowls you can actually fill. Pour in your batter, close the lid, and in minutes, you've got the perfect crispy shell for fruit, ice cream, eggs, or even chicken. No special mix needed. Store-bought or homemade both work. It's non-stick, easy to clean, and turns every meal into a fun little edible masterpiece. This table doesn't just sit in your space, it glows in it. Crafted from epoxy resin and wood, it lights up with a soft RGB glow that looks straight out of a fantasy movie. Whether you're using it as a coffee table or a side table, it brings a magical, one-of-a-kind vibe to any room. The built-in sensor responds to touch or motion, making it feel alive. It's furniture meets art with a touch of wonder. Drying clothes doesn't have to take up space. This double-line retractable clothesline stretches out when you need it and disappears when you don't. Each stainless steel line holds serious weight, so go ahead and hang those towels and jeans. It's perfect for balconies, bathrooms, or even hotels. Just pull, clip, and let it do its thing. No clutter, no hassle. Why settle for a basic tap when your faucet can be smart, sleek, and super functional? This high-tech bathroom faucet features a built-in screen that shows the water temperature in real time. No more guessing or freezing surprises. It rotates a full 1080 degrees, so you can easily reach every angle. With 3 water modes, it's as versatile as it is stylish. Simple to use, and a total upgrade for your sink. Feeding time just got a whole lot easier and tidier. This silicone baby spoon doubles as a food dispenser, so you can squeeze just the right amount straight onto the spoon. No bowls, no mess. The suction base keeps it upright on any table, and the leak-proof lid means it's perfect for travel. BPA-free and soft on gums, it's gentle where it matters most. Drying laundry doesn't have to take over your space. This wall-mounted rack opens up to reveal multiple rods, perfect for hanging shirts, towels, or delicates. When you're done, it folds back into a sleek panel that blends right into your wall. No bulky stands or floor clutter. It's easy to install, looks clean, and gives your clothes the airflow they need to dry naturally. Space-saving and smart. This litter box practically cleans itself, because it does. The moment your cat finishes, it sifts the clumps and seals the waste away. No scooping needed. It's whisper quiet, with sensors that keep your kitty safe and relaxed. The app tracks visits and even monitors your cat's weight, so you're always in the loop. You can even start a cleaning cycle with your voice. It's smart, clean, and stress-free. Typing on the go just got a serious upgrade. This foldable Bluetooth keyboard fits right in your pocket, but opens up to full-size convenience. It connects to 2 devices at once, so you can switch from your phone to your tablet in seconds. The aluminum alloy shell feels sleek and sturdy, and there's even a built-in stand for your device. Lightweight, compact, and ready whenever you are. This trash can doesn't just sit there, it works smarter. With a built-in compactor, it squashes your waste down so you can fit up to 3 times more before taking it out. That means fewer trips and fewer bags. The odor filter keeps things fresh, and the design makes sure your hands never touch the mess. It's sleek, stainless, and surprisingly satisfying to use. This smart portable monitor is like a giant tablet on wheels with brains, beauty, and a battery. The touchscreen allows you to stream, scroll, and swipe through your favorite apps straight from the Play Store. It rolls from room to room and runs for hours on a single charge. Whether you're cooking, working out, or lounging, just tilt, swivel, or tap. It's your personal screen anywhere you want it. Ironing doesn't need a bulky setup anymore. This pocket-folding ironing board pops open in seconds and gives you a stable surface for quick touch-ups. When you're done, just fold it inward, latch it shut, and you're good to go. There's even a built-in holder for your iron to keep things tidy. Hang it on a wall or slip it into a suitcase. It's made for life on the go. This RC car doesn't just drive, it performs. With a flick of your wrist, you can make it flip, spin, drift, and transform on the spot. The gesture-sensing glove gives you full control like a real-life superhero, or you can use the classic remote for precision stunts. It handles dirt, grass, and rocks like a pro. Lights, music, wild moves. This one's all about action and imagination. This is like a meditation you can watch. The kinetic sand art table slowly draws mesmerizing patterns in real sand, helping your mind unwind with every swirl. You can control the design, speed, and lighting right from your phone. Whether you're working, relaxing, or just need a mental reset, it delivers calm on demand. Made with real bamboo, it's as beautiful as it is soothing. What if your wok could cook for you? This automatic cooking machine does exactly that. Just press a button and it stirs, rotates, and adjusts speeds, all on its own. From stir-fry to stew, it handles it with even heat and zero fuss. The Smart Touch panel keeps things simple, and the self-cleaning mode, total game changer. It's like having a personal chef, minus the small talk. Looks like an ordinary bottle, but it's secretly your shortcut to fresh ice cubes. Fill it with water, freeze it upright, then let it sit for a bit. Press the top to crack the ice, pop the lid, and pull the side tabs. Your ice cubes drop right out. Give it a quick shake and pour them into your drink. No trays, no spills, no stuck cubes. Just instant ice every time. This speaker doesn't just play sound, it throws you right into the game. With 3D surround audio, every footstep and explosion feels like it's happening right next to you. The wireless bass subwoofer adds that deep, punchy boom you can feel. Bluetooth 5.0 keeps your connection stable, and the built-in mic makes it perfect for gaming chats. And those RGB lights? They turn your setup into a full-on light show. This foldable charger does more than just power your devices. It adapts to how you use them. Unfolded once to prop up your phone while charging, perfect for watching or video calls. Fold it again to reveal wireless charging spots for your AirPods and smartwatch, all while still holding your phone upright. When you're done, press it flat to use as a simple charger or tuck it away. Compact, smart, and ready for everything. Forget wrestling with those awkward booties. This floor guard kit does it better. Just step, press, and go. It wraps a durable protective film right onto your shoes in seconds. Perfect for keeping floors clean during home projects or on job sites. One roll covers up to 187 pairs, and it works with any shoe size. No bending, no hassle, just clean floors made easy. Classic Tic-Tac-Toe just got a wild upgrade. This handheld game packs not one, but 3 brainy challenges into one sleek device. Play against friends, or test your skills against an adaptive AI that actually learns how good you are. There's a memory mode to sharpen your focus, and a twisty version where bigger pieces can cover smaller ones. Compact, clever, and perfect for road trips or rainy days. Washing clothes on the go just got way easier. This mini portable washer is small enough to toss in a bag, but powerful enough to clean your essentials while you travel. It runs cordless and rechargeable. No outlet needed, so it's perfect for camping, business trips, or hotel stays. Just drop it in a basin with your clothes and water and let it work its magic. Compact, convenient, and made for life on the move. Cooling your room shouldn't take effort, and with this smart pedestal fan, it doesn't. You can control it with your voice, your phone, or the remote without ever getting up. It oscillates both up and down and side to side, sending cool air exactly where you want it. With 8 speeds, 6 modes, and ultra-quiet operation at just 25 decibels, this fan works hard without making a sound. Perfect for sleep, work, or serious chill time. It isn't just a mouse pad, it's your entire battle station upgrade. With built-in wireless charging, it powers your phone while you power through games or work. The oversized design gives your keyboard and mouse plenty of room to breathe. 10 RGB light modes set the vibe, from chill glow to full-on gamer energy. And with a non-slip base, it stays locked in even during the most intense sessions. Timekeeping never looked this cool. This flip desk clock brings vintage vibes with a modern twist. Just set the dial and watch the numbers flip with every passing minute. It's oddly satisfying. The AM/PM indicator keeps things clear, and the sleek design makes it a perfect fit for any desk, shelf, or bedside table. It's functional, decorative, and seriously eye-catching. This table does more than hold your lamp, it powers your entire night. With built-in wireless charging and USB ports, you can juice up your phone while you sleep. No cords needed. The soft-touch LED lights set the perfect bedtime vibe with adjustable colors and brightness. Its round design, gold finish, and glass top add instant style. Ideal for small spaces, it's smart, sleek, and seriously useful. Craving homemade pasta without all the effort? This automatic pasta maker turns dough into noodles in just minutes. It mixes, kneads, and extrudes the pasta for you. Just add your ingredients and choose from 13 different shapes, from classic spaghetti to dumpling wrappers. With a powerful motor and safety-first design, it's ideal for fast, fresh meals at home. Stirring with a spoon? That's old news. This self-stirring mug mixes your coffee, milk, or protein shake at the push of a button. No effort needed. The high-speed motor blends everything evenly, while the lid keeps spills in check. Made from heat-resistant glass, it handles hot or cold drinks with ease. Just pop in 2 AAA batteries and let it do the work. It's your lazy morning's best friend.